In this video, I'll show you how to fix a flashing purple light on your BT Smart Hub. So usually if you're seeing a flashing purple light on your BT Hub, this indicates that the hub is working, but there's an issue with your internet connection. So the first thing you need to do to fix this is just head over to the back of the BT Hub, and you need to ensure that this black cable with the gray ends is plugged in correctly. So just make sure this is tightly secured. And then you can come round to the other end and make sure this is also tightly secured. If your BT Hub is brand new, then it also could be an issue where it hasn't been activated yet. Usually if you've only just received your hub, it can take up until midnight on the day until your broadband switches over. So you may just need to wait until this starts working. The next thing I'd recommend doing is just coming round to the back of the BT Hub. You'll notice this reset button here. Now what you need to do is grab a pen or something quite small that will fit inside of this hole here, and you're just going to hold down this reset button for 20 seconds. So just keep holding this down until 20 seconds have passed, and this is going to perform a hard reset of your router. So all of your network settings and things like that will be reset. And then finally, after 20 seconds have passed, we can release the button and you can check to see if that's now fixed the hub. Now if you have tried these steps and that still hasn't fixed it, the last thing we can do is just head over to an internet browser. Come over to a search engine like Google and just type in BT Hub server status and hit enter. Head over to this top search result, and this website is going to tell us the server status in your area. So if there is a server outage or they're performing maintenance in the area, then this will go ahead and tell you. So all you need to do is enter your landline number in this tool below, and then we can click check status. And like I said, if there is an issue, then it's going to go ahead and detect that here. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.